In this video, I'm going to show dividing radical expressions by rationalizing the denominator. So as you can see, we have a numerator number 4, but the denominator is number square root of 5, which is irrational number. And in order to divide this, we need to make square root of 5, we need to have this number rational. So how am I gonna get a rational number in the denominator? Well, what we can do is we're gonna take this fraction and multiply by square root of 5 divided by square root of 5. Here is why we can do that. First of all, square root of 5 over square root of 5 equals 1. When we're multiplying this fraction by 1, we are not changing the value of this fraction. So basically, this is the best way to do that. And now the answer is gonna be in the numerator, we're gonna have 4 square root of 5. And denominator, when you multiply square root of 5 times square root of 5, it's basically square root of 25, which equals 5. So square root of 25 equals 5, and numerator stays 4 square root of 5. So this is gonna be the final answer, okay? Now there is a shortcut. I'm gonna show you a shortcut. If you have, let's say, square root of 5 times square root of 5, if you have 2 of the same square roots, you can just cancel the square root and write answer 5. But you need to know why this is allowed to do that. It's because square root of 5 times square root of 5 is square root of 25, which equals 5. Okay, so let's look at square root of 4 divided by 5 square root of 3. All right, we already know that square root of 4 is 2. So we're just gonna write 2. Over here in the denominator, I'm just gonna copy this for now, and I'm gonna write 5 square root of 3 because there is nothing else we can do. And I wanna rationalize the denominator. In this case, I do not have to multiply the fraction by 5 square root of 3 over 5 square root of 3. It is enough to multiply just by square root of 3, because this will eventually give us the number 3, which is a whole number, right? So I'm gonna write over here square root of 3 over square root of 3 and multiply by 2 over 5 square root of 3. So the numerator is gonna be 2 square root of 3. The denominator is gonna be 5. And square root of 3 times square root of 3 is square root of 9. No, we are not done with this problem yet. So the numerator is gonna be 2 square root of 3. But the denominator is gonna change because square root of 9 equals 3. Okay? So now we have 2 square root of 3 over 15. Now notice that 2 and 15 you cannot simplify any further, so this is gonna be our final answer. Right? I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know, and thank you for watching.